Hey guys, Alex at HOGWORKZ. Today we're going to be talking about our new locking quick release clamp. A lot of people underestimate how easy it is for someone to steal your tour pack, your luggage rack, or your sissy bar because there's no lock on the actual latch. With these locking latches, it will prevent somebody from being able to remove your mounted hardware without the key. Quick release latches, locking latches come in chrome and black, and they come with keys and the hardware you need to mount them with a 5/32 Allen wrench. First, remove your tour pack from the motorcycle and get it on a bench or a table. With a 5/32 Allen wrench, just go ahead and remove this screw here. And what you'll notice now is there is what's called a sex bolt, and it's pressed into the side of the mount. So if your mount already has a sex bolt on it, you can just go ahead and reuse it. If not, ours do come with the sex bolt here. So if you did have one, you could pop this out and use ours. Or if this will work with what you have, you can leave the sex bolt installed on your mount. So then what we'll do is take our locking latch, pay attention to where and how the spacers and spring spacers are orientated and what's position they're in. You can see here the small one washer is on the outside and the spring washer is on the inside of the hex bolt, or with the sex bolt. So go ahead and take this bolt out. So essentially this is what's inside here. And since we already have our sex bolt on here, we're just going to transfer the spring washer over to this sex bolt here, and then our latch here. So with your sex bolt installed, or if you're reusing the other one, and then your spring washer on there, you can go ahead and place your locking latch on. And then you'll also notice in the kit there's a small washer. This goes inside the hole of the locking latch. And then you'll take your screw and washer. We recommend you put a little bit of Loctite on this. Or a lot, depends how it comes out. Go ahead, tighten it up, and you're good to go. The same thing on the other side. Go ahead and remove the screw here. And then on our locking latch, just go ahead and take the screw out. Washer inside there. Take the sex bolt out. Again, we're going to reuse our sex bolt here because it's the same as this one. Put your locking latch on. Put your small washer inside. And then we do recommend putting a little bit of Loctite on the new screw going in. All set. Okay, so to unlock the latch, you'll just go ahead and stick your key in, and then about quarter turn, and back, and then when the pin is up, it's unlocked. And to lock them, once you have them latched in place. All you have to do is push this down and it's spring loaded, and now you're locked. Make sure the latch is rotated correctly on both sides. And then latch it forward. Now it's in place. And to lock it, you can see the pin's up right now. All you have to do is press the pin down. It stays down, you know that it's in place and that's securely locked. So now to unlock it, you take your key, align the slot with the slot, and all you have to do is go quarter turn and then turn back, pull it out, and now you can see the pin's up, so that means that it's unlocked and you can unlatch it.